What's up, everybody? My name is Savili Bartley, also known as the Traveling Hamoin. Just wanted to first off say thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, please press the like button and also leave a comment. But if you want me to work on, also let me know what I can do better for this video. So thank you again for watching, and just wanted to give a heads up that this video is solely my impressions and my opinions of what makes this elephant sanctuary so great. So thank you guys for watching, and please enjoy. Yee. Aloha and out. Alright guys, let's get started. Quick short introduction about myself and the relation I have to this elephant sanctuary. So first and foremost, I was at this elephant sanctuary for 3 months. What I was doing, I was a research intern. So my daily routine consisted of hiking out to the elephants every day with the group. From there, I would collect foraging data, which is just observing what types of plant species that the specific elephant was eating. And then after that, I would record what they're eating, speak with the elephant caretaker, also known as the mahout, and translate from their native language to English, and then from English to the scientific name. So that's just kind of like the overview of why, or what I seen for the 3 months I was there at this sanctuary. So please enjoy, and let's get started. Now I would like to begin and explain why I think that this is the best elephant sanctuary and why I think you should visit it. There are 3 key reasons why I think this is so. Number 1, I believe that this is an ethical elephant sanctuary. Alright, so ethical is a big word or a confusing word depending on your perception or your understanding of ethicality. So we'll go more into that later on. So that's number 1. Number 2, you immerse yourself into a different culture, a different lifestyle, and you get the full effect. And number 3, you learn a lot. You learn a lot about these wonderful animals. You learn about their anatomy. You learn how to care for them. You learn what their habitat is, and also you get to learn how to live within a different culture. You'll see the different lifestyle they go through and the hard work that all these people live in, the Karen people. Overall, those are the 3 main topics on which I think make this elephant sanctuary great and top-notch. So join me as we go through this, and I can show you why this elephant sanctuary is awesome. So stay tuned. Yee! Excuse me.
Hello. Hello,
Okay.
Savili.
No.
Hello. Hello.
All right, number 1, ethical elephant sanctuary. My personal understanding and my personal belief of an ethical elephant sanctuary is mostly hands off of the elephant. So no washing, no riding, no. This is ethical. So ethical is more how an animal can live in its most natural form of living, or most wild form of living. Kindred Spirit Elephant Sanctuary, I believe, is a very ethical sanctuary. Reason being is a typical day within this sanctuary requires us to wake up in the morning, eat breakfast, then we hike out to wherever the elephants may be. All right, elephants may be high up in the jungle, in the mountains, or down by the river drinking water and eating around that area. But once we get out there, we have 90 minutes. And with that 90 minutes, all we do is sit back, relax, enjoy the view of the elephants and the landscape, and observe them. We observe them while collecting some data. So the data collected could be behavioral data, foraging data, and just like interaction data. Those are the types of data that is collected. And if not, then you're just over there just observing these magnificent animals. So that is why this is an ethical sanctuary. So here and there, every week when there are new visitors, they have the chance to feed the female elephants. And this is not a huge quantity of other elephant camps where they feed every day for a couple hours these sweet fruit. No, this is maybe once or twice a week, couple bunches of bananas to 2 very large female elephants. So with that, you still kind of get some sort of interaction with the elephants, but then after that, it's mostly just observation. And these free roaming elephants during the day are just living their best life, eating whatever they want, drinking whenever they want, and just going wherever they can, with the exception of some boundaries. These boundaries are for the welfare of the local Karen people, because they still have to make money, and their main income source, I would say, is harvesting corn and rice. So there are certain limitations to where the elephants can go, but they have acres and acres of land, which makes it amazing, because you can have a hike that is maybe only 25 minutes, or you can have a hike that lasts about an hour or so. So it all depends where the elephants are at, where they're foraging, and all of that. So in that respect, that is why I believe that this elephant sanctuary is ethical. Number two reason why I think that this elephant sanctuary is great is because Kindred Spirit Elephant Sanctuary immerses you into a different and beautiful culture. While you are with this sanctuary, you will be staying with a homestay family that is local and native to that village. And what makes it so special is that you get to experience a different lifestyle, different foods, different traditions, different language, just a different way of life. You will be able to live like a local. You'll be living in their house, you'll be dining with them, you'll be cooking with them. And all of this experience is authentic. You get to experience what these people do every day for their lives and how they make their livelihoods. All while experiencing all the different things that they offer in the village. The women of the village are expert weavers, all right? They weave beautiful bags with intricate patterns. They weave beautiful skirts, shirts, and all of that stuff. Aside from that, you get to try their different cuisine. Man, you will never go hungry in this village. They feed you so much rice, so much vegetables, and so much other varieties of fruits that come along while staying with them. All right. You also get to do village English, which is every Wednesday, where you get to sit around with a bunch of villagers and you help them learn English. So village women will come to a house and everyone will just be able to help them learn. So within this program, you get to experience this wonderful culture, this wonderful people, and just see how hardworking yet how giving they are, and how much they want to learn different cultures. So even you'll be able to go to the local village school and help teach English to the kids, the upcoming generations. So while you're at KSES, you'll have this full-blown authentic experience, and that is number 2 reason why I think that this is one of the best elephant sanctuaries. Number 3 is education. So at this sanctuary, it's real easy to learn a lot about these elephants. The staff there are very intelligent and they're very helpful. They're very easygoing. So with that being said, you don't need to be ashamed about asking any questions. Ask them all the questions you want and they will know the answer. And if they don't know the answer, then they'll for sure get back to you in regards to what you asked them. But the important thing to me is the reason why the sanctuary is so great is because they offer different internships. So like for mine, I was the research intern. So my research intern consisted of collecting foraging data for 90 minutes on a specific elephant. There are other internships such as photography.
Our photography major, Lucille,
Yeah.
from France.
And I have a GoPro too, you know.
Or teaching. You know, so like whatever field you want to get into, photography, teaching, or research, there it is readily available. And then if you're just wanting to go just for fun, just to be able to experience elephants within an ethical environment, then that is great as well, because you will also learn so much about these elephants. You'll learn anatomy, you'll learn their feeding behavior, their behavior with interactions with one another. You'll just learn a lot about elephants. And I feel that is a great experience because you get the whole experience of being with elephants, but you'll also be able to learn about elephants and try to incorporate it or try to spread the word of the well-being for elephants everywhere. But yeah, so education is the third main reason why I think this elephant sanctuary is the best and why you should visit it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed my time at KSES, and I hope that one day you will actually visit there. And until then, aloha and out.